Hello you guys, today is November 17. We are sending machines again today. 2 个 CNC machine. Aiming for the best running towards the future. 2 containers machines. We are sending to the customer now. We are loading the machines to the first container. The buyer is one furniture factory, so we need the bending machines. The machines are ready for shipping. Water jet machine for cutting the stone. The furniture factory purchased this machine from us. Water jet machine. See, this package. We are shipping it to the customer today. Their machines are in making. We will finish them before the November.